So what do you do when you're following a VMAX, 200 horsepower, 115 foot-pounds of torque, something like that, something crazy? What do you do when you're following one of those through mountain twisties? Well, as you can see, I forgot everything I knew about riding in the corners. So don't pay attention on my riding squeal between the yellow and the white lines. That was just an adrenaline rush-filled thing. But honestly, I almost didn't post this video. One, for the riding skill or lack thereof shown. I'm much better than that. But two, because the camera angle. This is a video that was actually one of the funnest times I had on the bike last year, riding through the mountains of Virginia. And it was a great time. Not many times that I get to let loose a little bit. And if you pay attention, it's really only in the corners where I'm on the throttle. I'm kind of relaxing on the straightaways. But anyways, it was a great time. But what I really want to talk about was, what do you think is going to happen tomorrow, February 9th? What model, what engine, what is Indian going to announce? Put it in your comments below. Be really interested to hear your thoughts. Some of the biggest or more trending thoughts behind it so far are mid-size, power cruiser potential, something like a highball. Other ones that have been thought of is that they've got the VBT engine for the current lineup of Chieftain. Also, the Chief lineup, there's been a 100-year anniversary run of articles or vlogs on what the Chief was. And since they eliminated the Chief from their lineup for 2021, that the replacement is going to have either the liquid-cooled 108 out of the Challenger, or the VVT Thunderstroke is going to make an appearance, which they started working on back in, I think, 2018 was when the first articles came out. Might be wrong on that. If it was 2017 or 2019, throw that in the comments just so everybody else knows. But anyway, I'm really curious as to what it's going to be, and hoping it's not too good. I might have to drop a hobby or two. Anyways, enjoy the ride video. Stay tuned though. I did promise that I would show an Artibus tank emblem install video, and so that's coming at the end of this ride video. For those that want to skip forward, it's about at the 4-minute mark, but check it out. It turned out beautifully in my eyes. Brave Wolf Customs put a good emblem together. I really liked that one that I had, but this 3D model where you could feel the difference in the texture and the brightness of the color, just to me was a step up. So shouts out to Artibus, shout out to Brave Wolf Customs, and ride safe out there, y'all. And we're back, folks. Hey, as promised, here's a brief overview of what it took to install the Artibus tank emblem. So as you can see, I've removed the Brave Wolf Customs emblem, which wasn't very hard to do. Again, shouts out to Brave Wolf, great product. The packaging came with 3M double-sided tape, and the material, it seems like it's a hardened type clay emblem from a mold. So what it tells you to do is make sure you get a clean, good alcohol wipe, and then to kind of document where you're going to put it. So I held the emblem up, and then I also taped off where the external measurements would be. Applied the two-sided tape, again after cleaning the tank, and then let it sit for a few hours. then came back with the hair dryer to reshape the emblem to fit the tank. So it wasn't perfectly shaped for the tank, but thankfully it is flexible when heated so that you can reshape it. I did do some things to protect the glue to make sure that I wasn't unsticking the glue, and it came out as this beautiful product that you see in front of me here. So I will leave some information on where you can find this beautiful artwork. And until the next time, thanks for hanging with RC. Peace.